everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I've got a quick tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to use dynamic zoom in DaVinci Resolve. It allows you to slowly zoom in to your video footage or your photos with only a few clicks. It's really simple to do, so no fluff, just the stuff. Let's dive right into this tutorial. Alright, so here we are in DaVinci Resolve. I'm in the editing tab, and in my timeline I've got a photo here as well as a video clip that we're going to be using the dynamic zoom on today. So let's start out with the video clip here. The first thing we need to do is select the clip that we would like to apply the dynamic zoom to. So we'll click on that clip, make sure it's red outlined here. And on the right hand side up at the top, you're going to see there's the inspector option. Just go ahead and select that. And then you've got video here. Make sure that is selected. And you should see the option that says dynamic zoom here. There's a little toggle switch. You can go ahead and turn that on. Now this is going to apply the dynamic zoom to that clip specifically. Now we need to go ahead and make some adjustments here. So you can't really see it, but in the gray area off to the right here, if you left click in that area, it's going to give you some more options. So the first is the dynamic zoom ease. So currently that's set to linear, which is kind of the same zoom speed throughout the whole clip. Now that can be kind of abrupt in some situations, so it does give you some other options. You can have it ease in where it kind of slowly speeds up into the zoom, or you can have it ease out where it slowly kind of eases out of the zoom speed, or you can have it ease in and ease out, kind of making it smoother on both ends. So I'll let you play around with those on your own. I'm going to have it do ease in. And the next thing we need to do is make sure that we have the dynamic zoom turned on here so we can actually see what we're working with in some of the settings. So this is an important step. Over here off to the left, you're going to see a little drop down, and currently it's set to transform. We want to make sure dynamic zoom is turned on right here. And when you do that, you're going to see on your clip, there's a red box and a green box. So the green box is where it's going to start, and the red box is where it's going to end. Now, you'll see the option here that says swap. So if you want it, right now it's set where it's going to start at the green and zoom out to the red. We can actually swap it so it starts at the green and zooms in. So whichever way, whether you're wanting it to zoom in or out, you can play with that as well. We can also move around this box. So if we wanted to zoom into a corner, we could easily adjust this, have it zoom into a corner. I'm going to have it zoom in on the boat there, like that. And now when we play through this, you can see it's going to ease in, start zooming in, and then at the end of the clip it's going to ease out, and it's a nice smooth zoom into that clip. So it works really well, and you can do the same process over on the photo as well. So I'm going to turn that on for that. So dynamic zoom, we'll turn it on. Maybe I'll just leave this one on linear, and this one maybe we'll have zoom outward. So I won't swap this one. So maybe I want it to start out on the flag, and I'll do kind of a extreme example here like that. So it's quite zoomed in, and this one's going to be quite quick, but it'll show you the process. So now when I hit play, you can see it's zooming out from that flag and right into the next clip. So really it's that simple to apply the dynamic zoom setting to your video and photos here in DaVinci Resolve. So I hope this tutorial did help you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.